Okay, the previous chapter is completed that once. Today we are starting with chapter number 11, time and work. Already this chapter you learned in that 7th class. So continuation of the chapter is this one. In that 7th class we did one exercise, but here also one exercise is there and it is given as one chapter for us. In the previous 7th class we did it as an exercise, but here they make it as one chapter. The limits of this chapter is 1 to 12 sums. In this 12 sums, I am saying that first one, A can do a piece of work in 15 days and B can do that work in 10 days. How long will they do to complete that work? What work they are doing? It is not mentioned. So it is not mentioned in that question. How much work they completed? What work they are doing? It is not given, but they are doing together means how many days they will take it. So this one is not given in the proper order. So we have to take that one. The work, time and work is already in that inverse proportion. Time and work is already in the inverse proportion. If time is more, work will be more. So time is less means work will also become less by doing that work. So if a man will do that work within the time means if 4 hours are there, he can complete that some work. If more work is there, less time will be there. So this is that time and work is in that form of inverse relation. So we are starting with inverse sums. Inverse means reciprocal, taking of reciprocal, and we are starting with the sums. So solution for this sum. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. What that A will do? In 15 days a work will do by A. What work they are doing? It is not mentioned. Okay. And B can do it in 10 days. How long they will do the work together to complete it? To complete it means what work they are doing, we don't know that once. That's why we have to take it that one. 1 day work. How much work they complete means. For example, I want to write that one notes. First day. Totally I took that one 6 days. First day, 6 pages I have to write. 1 page I wrote in 6 days. In the next day, 2 pages completed. And the next day, 3rd day, I completed one 4 pages. In the next day, I completed 6 by 6. Total all books are completed. That means one work is completed for us. One work is completed for us. So due to that one, we are taking that work as one work. Taking off one work. So in 1 day, how much the work will be done? We have to find first. A can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 15. Out of 15 days, we are taking it 1 day work. That means 1 by 15. B can do the work in 10 days. So B can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10. What they are doing? Working together. Working together in 1 day is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So as we know that one, both are in the form of LCM, we have to take that one LCM and we have to add. Taking out LCM, 15, 10 LCM is 30. 15 table 30 is 2 times, is 3 times. 5 by 30 cancellation is 1 by 6. Is 1 by 6. Simple sum. 1 day work. Both will together means 1 by 6. Work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 6 part. 1 by 6 parts. How much work is completed means 1 by 6 part is completed. So work will complete means work will complete together is equal to 6 by 1 is 6 days. They will complete their work in 6 days. Here little much confusion is there. What is that mean? See once here everybody look at the board. A can do that work in 1 by 15th part. Why we take 1 by 15? So total out of 15 days, 1 day work is 1 by 15. That means how many days are there? 15 days. This B is 10 days. We took it 1 day part. That means 10 days work. So out of 10 days work 1 day is completed. So here how many days work is completed? 6 days. In that 6 days 1 day is we got it on 1 by 6. Out of 1 day they will complete 6 days work. So total number of days is 6 days. They will complete together is 6 days. This is about the sum. See that once. So here is the next sum. A and B working together to complete the work in 35 days. A and B are working together. Who are working now? A is working and B is working. To together means combinedly they are doing that work. In how many days they will complete means 35 days. While A can do that work in 60 days, how long would B can take it means only B can complete in how many days, we have to find that once. So solution for that ones, first one, A and B together work done in 1 day. We are starting the calculus 1 day, 1 by 35. Where onwards this 35 came is, they will complete their work in 35 days, but only 1 day work is 1 by 35. So actually we have to write that another sentence. Here I am not writing another sentence because if I write that sentence means I have to write the board and I have to do that once. Due to that I am writing here direct sentence. You should also write that once. A can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 60. 1 by 60. B can do work in 1 day is equal to question mark. We know that once. A plus B are working together gives 1 by 35 parts. A and B are working together means 1 by 35. In that A part we know. What is that A's part? The A part is 1 by 60 plus B is equal to 1 by 35. From this we want only the B work. B is equal to 1 by 35 minus 1 by 60. Minus 1 by 60. The LCM of 35 and 60. The LCM of 35 and 60 is, we have to find that one. There is a for 35 table and 60, taking that one to 5 table. 5 table as LCM 5, 7, 12, which will give that one LCM is 420. LCM is 420. The LCM for this sum is 420. For 35 and 60 LCM I did in the rough work and I am writing that once. The rough work of LCM is 420. This is 420. 35 table 420. 35 table 420 means from the rough work onwards 12 times minus 60 table 142. 6 12 or 42, that is 5 times. 12 minus 5 which is equal to 6. Sorry, 7 by 420. 7 by 420. So cancellation of 7 and 420 using that table. Which table means 7 table 1 time, 8 times. Sorry, here small mistake is there. 6 table 12 sevens are. So 12 minus 5 is 6. 1 time, 84 times. 1 by 84. 1 by 84. Work done by B in 1 day is equal to 1 by 84. Work completes by B is equal to 84 days. In 84 days, the B will complete that work. Who will complete that work? B can complete that work. Here small mistake done by that one means previously 60 table 42 is 5 times I wrote, that is wrong. Here we have to change it as 7. 12 minus 5, 7 is 5. 5 by 420. Cancellation is 1 by 84, that is 84 days. And the next sum is, okay, here is the next sum. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. While B can do it in 15 days with the help of C. They finish the work. In how many days? That C alone can do that work. C alone can do that work. Here we have to write that one. A how many days? B how many days? C how many days? So here I am writing that once 1 day work. 1 day work of A is equal to 1 by 20. 1 day work of B is equal to 1 by 15. 1 day work of C is equal to X. Let. We are taking as X. Let it be X. Now A plus B plus C work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 5. This is about the sum given first. A can do a piece of work in 20 days means 1 by 20. B can do it in 15 days means 1 by 15. C works is, we don't know that one. So let's say let it be X, and they work in 5 days. That means they completed the work in 5 days. They finished the work in 5 days means A plus B plus C worked for 1 by 5 days. So in this one, we know that substituting comes A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 15. What is A? 1 by 20 plus what is B? 1 by 15. What is C? X is equal to 1 by 15. We want the one. So 1 by 5. We want only the X. X is equal to 1 by 50 minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15. This 20 will go that side and 10 will go that side. Now X is equal to, the LCM will become 20, 15 and 5. Here I am doing again mistake. So see that once. 25, 15. LCM of 25, 15 is 60. Take that one, 60 is the LCM. 15 table 60 is 4 times. 20 table. So 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15. Here I got 15, no, that's why around 10. 5 table 12 times minus 20 table 3 times minus 15 table 4 times. X is equal to 12 minus 3 minus 4, which is equal to 5 by 60. Cancellation 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Here what we have to write means work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 12. Work complete by C is equal to 12 days. The work complete by C is equal to 12 days. This is about the sum. You can do that once. You are taking off subtraction. Here small mistake is there. Do that once.